Is your Ninja Foodi Grill making unusual noises during use? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your grill will operate quietly and efficiently. Begin by checking for loose components. Rattling sounds often come from misaligned baskets, grates, or the drip tray. Remove and reseat these parts to ensure they're properly aligned. Next, clean the fan and vents. Debris or grease buildup can cause rattling or disrupt airflow. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clear obstructions. Refer to your manual for vent locations. If the noise persists, reset the appliance. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary errors. This also allows internal components to cool, preventing strain-related sounds. Inspect the lid seal. A misaligned lid can cause vibrations or whirring noises. Press down gently to ensure it's secure, and wipe the sealing ring with a damp cloth to remove residue. For loud grinding or metallic noises, avoid using metal utensils that scratch the nonstick surface. Switch to silicone or plastic tools to protect the interior and reduce scraping sounds. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!